Hello guys, I hope you are having a wonderful time right now, and it's your friend Rana. So today we're gonna talking about how we can improve in our English speaking and how we can work and what kind of application we should have used, because there's a lots of people who don't have any idea that which application we should have used for the English speaking and how we can work on that thing, how we can improve by ourselves. So today we're gonna tell you the three most important applications for the English speaking you can work on that. So for the firstly, I can say that if you haven't subscribed till now, you should have start with subscribing and also press the ringing bell. By that you can see all the new notification related to my video related to English speaking, and also we'll get more and more things like what can make you more and more beneficial, what's gonna be more and more beneficial for everyone. So today we're going to talking about this one. So the first application is that is Speaker. It's an English speaking app where you can talk with strangers. That's name is Speaker. You can use this application as a tutor, you can talk with to any of one to strangers, and you can make the call. And if you are making call with someone else, so you can say that you are no any single ID and contact number going to share with any of one. You can go and install this app. It's a free of cost application, and I can say that it's a trusted application. You can use it because I already have used this application a lot when I started speaking English. So I work on that and I learned through this application. So you can go through that and you can install this application and you can use and you can talk with strangers, and you can learn more and more things. You can learn by yourself. You don't have to need for any particular friend. And apart from that, if there's anyone who you think that about that guy, that he is more and more friendly guy and he can speak with me, he can make a good bonding with me, so you can take and you can share your contact number, your ID, your Insta ID, your social media, you can share with that guy. So it's all depend on you. The second one, the next we have to go for the next. The second application is the U Dictionary. It's the most important application for every beginner who want to learn, who want to give their best. Because if you're gonna install this application, that is U Dictionary, I'm gonna also drop the link in descriptions box. You can find all those links to descriptions box, and you can search. You can install through the Play Store. That is the free of cost. All the application is free of cost. So what about the U Dictionary? If you're unable to convert any sentence Hindi to English and in any language, so you can convert by yourself. You can find new word meaning and you can search that what is the correct meaning of this word. You can go and also you can install this application. It's gonna more and more beneficial for you. The third one is that the Inshorts, because it's not for the beginner, but still I can say that if you really want to work on your speaking and also if you really want to work on your reading skills, so you can install this application, because every day here you can see the different articles and you can learn new vocabulary, because it's gonna more and more beneficial for everyone. If you want to learn new vocabulary and want to give your best, if you like learn new vocabulary and use in your English speaking, want to make your conversation much and much better, so you can install this application that's called Inshorts. So you should have installed three of application. This application must help you, because already I installed this application, and also I have learned through these applications. So you can go and install this application. That's gonna help you more and more. So for the further information, you can comment me, and also I'm gonna brief you more and more application. And in the next video we will come soon to another topic, and also I will brief you that what kind of application you should have used, because there's another one application that you through that you can make video call with any of one, and you can speak with them. You can speak with native speaker. That's called Cambly, but that is not free of cost. So I can say that it's gonna be quite difficult for the middle class family students. So I can say that you should have installed this application, whatever I have told you. You can go and install. Thank you so much for your time. So thank you so much for your time, guys. If you have watched till now, so you can also subscribe it. Thank you so much for your time.